Our Computex 2018 coverage was made possible by Aerocool, Synology and Alphacool. Hey everyone, Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com, and we're here at the Aerocool suite at Computex 2018 in Taipei, Taiwan. Now, before I even get started talking about this, I do want to actually congratulate Aerocool because they have won the coveted eTeknix Best of Computex 2018 award, and they've actually won it for this desk. So you may remember when I was at the furniture show in Cologne in Germany a few months back, I was actually looking at some of the furniture that Aerocool are bringing out, and this was kind of the start. So I saw it in prototype form. Now it's definitely a closer to sort of market one. We've been told that the orders are coming in from the retailers sort of, in the next couple of weeks, so we will be expecting these probably around sort of September time. Obviously it does take a lot to ship something of this size, but the good thing is with it, it is a fully fledged gaming desk, so you do have the full control to make it go up and down. It does have macros on there as well, and you guys have probably seen something similar in my videos where I do use a desk like this, and they are absolutely fantastic. For those prolonged gaming sessions, it's great that you can just get up out of your chair, stand up and carry on with your gaming. Now, the mouse mat itself is actually tailored for this, so they are working on a few different designs to have some sort of patterns on here and things like that, but it's perfectly cut for it. And if I move this wonderful award out of the way, you will see that it has kind of all the areas for cable management as well. Just next to it there is this tray as well, which again is for cable management just down here. So all this is going to allow you to have kind of the best possible setup. It does have RGB and everything as well, so if we can sort of see some of the other features, you'll see that there is this tray just for kind of storing keyboards, mice, accessories and things like that. Obviously headsets are a little bit bigger, so they have thought about that as well. So you have got this kind of headphone hanger here as well, which you can just take your headphones off and carry on with your gaming. So this does come in two different sizes. This is the first one, which I believe is 120 centimeters, and then over to my left, which we will go and have a quick look at in a minute, there is a slightly bigger one, which I believe is 160 in size. Now, if you're not wanting something that obviously can raise up and down, this is the bigger one, but it is the slightly, I guess, lesser model in terms of it doesn't go up and down. It still has some of the cool features like the tray to put your keyboard and everything in, but is a static desk. Perfect for those who don't require sort of standing up and just want to sit there for those prolonged gaming sessions. So if we actually come over this way, we will show you this desk, but in the motorised version. So over here we do have the larger version again, but this time motorised. So as I stated, the mouse mats themselves, or the gaming surfaces, are completely tailored for the desk. So you can see the sheer size of it is absolutely astronomical. It does have all the cable routing holes and everything built into it, and like I said, they are working on a few potential designs just to kind of spice it up a little bit. You'll be able to buy different ones and sort of change it to your own personal needs and styles. Again, it is motorised, so we can bring the desk up and down. It does have macros on there, so you can set different heights, different points and things like that. I'm not sure what the weight that it will actually take. I think it's about 70 or 80 kilos, something like that. Obviously, we will have a lot more information as we find out about it and when it actually comes out. So, like I say, probably looking at around September in the UK. Other regions may vary. Price-wise, we haven't really been told too much at the moment, but all we can say is that it is going to be very competitive. So yeah, really good to see Aerocool kind of changing the market a little bit and doing something a little bit different. Be sure to stay tuned to eTeknix.com for a lot more Computex coverage. We're going to have a lot more from Aerocool as well as other brands. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.